made friends with a crocodile.
Oh,
Yeah.
achoo.
Liam, did you finish reading Cool Beans? Okay.
Take our therapy outside. Long walks. Yeah. Hey, listen to